From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
A few clouds around us. We head through the overnight hours. Other than that, not much to talk about. Temperatures dropping into the low to mid 60s as we start our early Thursday morning, and then partly sunny to mostly sunny skies allow us to warm quickly. We're talking about 77 by 10 a.m., likely to hit 80 degrees by midday and into the mid to upper 80s by the afternoon. A few more isolated showers and thunderstorms are possible. Partly cloudy skies headed into the early morning, low to mid 60s across the area, warming quickly through the 70s into the 80s by midday. And as we do, notice what happens. We turn on the pop-up thunderstorm machine as we go through the early to mid-afternoon. Now, they're very isolated in nature. Not everybody's going to get rain. If you're looking for rain, that's not what you want to hear. But isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible through the afternoon, fading away as we get into the evening and we lose daytime heating. Highs tomorrow in the mid to upper 80s, falling back into the 60s again as we head into the overnight hours tomorrow night. Same song and dance for Friday. More the same for Saturday and Sunday, although two slight differences over the weekend. Rain chances a touch lower, but not zero, and temperatures just a touch higher. I think many of us may hit 90 degrees on Saturday and possibly on Sunday as well, at least the far upper 80s for everyone, but no runaway heat. That's right around what we should expect as we head into the first week of June. Mid to upper 80s for Thursday and Friday. Upper 80s and lower 90s over the weekend, and then still in the mid to upper 80s as we head into early next week. We're watching the tropics. Tomorrow begins the official start of the Atlantic hurricane season, and we do have something we're watching. Not a big chance of a system developing, but we may get a tropical depression out of this possibly if things come together. It's a little more organized today. Still, only a 20% chance of this developing as of the latest update. If it does develop, its name would be Arlene, but that's a low chance of that happening, as you see here on the map from the National Hurricane Center. Maybe a depression out of it, maybe a low-end tropical storm, but the chances of that only around 20%. Main impacts for South Florida the next few days would be some breezy conditions and some locally heavy rainfall. No impacts here locally to the Tennessee Valley, but as always, we watch these things carefully. Partly cloudy to mostly clear as you get that first cup of coffee in the morning before heading out the door. Temperature starting in the low to mid 60s, warming quickly into the mid to upper 80s as we into the afternoon. Partly sunny skies with a few isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms, mainly between about noon and 8 p.m. tomorrow. Your classic early summer weather. And staying on the warm side for the next 7 days. Isolated thunderstorms through the weekend. No big rain chances here for the next 7 days. Daytime highs in the far upper 80s and the lower 90s over the weekend, and staying in the mid to upper 80s going into next week. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Loon is back in the morning with another check of your local weather.